Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Timothy, and today, this video, we are going to explore the relationship in the Entity Framework Core. I will explain the different types of relationships that can be defined between entities in your application and how Entity Framework Core helps manage this relationship efficiency. Let's get started. A quick overview what Entity Framework Core is. Entity Framework Core or EF Core is an object-oriented mapping framework designed to simplify data access in your application. It allows you to interact with your database using C#, making database operation more efficient and easier to manage. In EF Core, you can define relationship between your entities such as the employee and the manager, and manage those relationships through the framework's powerful features. To help you understand this better, let's use an employee management system as an example, where the entity let's show you that this is our employee example. This is our employee management system, right? This is employee, this is manager. And we have employee address here. This is detail. So in the detail, have a look. Okay. Yes, in the detail we have a look. Employee address will interact with each other. The type of the relationship in the Entity Framework Core is something we have to discuss. We have to discuss the type of the relations that the entities core supported. These are three main types of relationship you come across. You will come across one-to-one relationship, which is one-to-one relationship here, which is mean that one record in one entity corresponds to exactly one record in another entity. So for example, employee may have one employee address. So here, go back here. So employee, right? Employee, just one-to-one relationship with employee detail, because I suppose that one employee only has one address. So into employee detail, I have address here. So this is one-to-one setting. Okay, one-to-one relationship. And many-to-many relationship. This allows multiple records in one entity to be isolated with multiple records in other entity. So for example, an employee can isolate it with many projects, and each project can involve the multiple employees. So don't worry, if this definitely should be a little address. So in our upcoming video, we will implement each of these relationships so you can exactly how they work in a real world scenario. So implement relationship in the Entity Framework. How to implement relationship in the Entity Framework Core. So when it comes to actually set up this relationship in your application, Entity Framework Core makes the progress straightforward. For example, if we want to link our employee and the manager and entity, we can easily to define the relationship between them with using EF Core. So in the future video, we will work through step by step how to implement one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-many relationship in our employee management system. So at the end of this series, you have a solid understanding of how to manage entity relationship in the EF core and apply this concept in your own project. So thanks for watching. In the next video, we will dive into how to implement one-to-one relationship using our employee management system example. So if you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content in this series. See you in the next video. Bye bye.